You don't have Len. Who among you here is done with science? Who's done with science? I think there is a problem with Briggs in joining in because I have seen here there are already two
Science.
Briggs. You're done, Rance? I miss you,
Yes.
Rance. Where did you go? You went to America?
I was answering.
Huh?
I'm not in America right now.
You went to America? Where, man? In Atlantic Ocean? In North Pole? I miss
No,
you. You know ba ya?
I'm in the Iceland.
In the Artland. Okay, Brace is already here. Come on, you keep on moving, Rents. Okay, hi, Brace. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so for today, we will be talking about science. So, our lesson in science is, it's found in your Vsmart, but I copied it in the Word. So, this is your, look at the image. What was this about? What kind of
The body parts
system
of a
in the
boy.
body? What
Body
kind
parts of a boy.
body parts of a boy? What else? What can you say? What kind of system is this? Your body system. This one.
My body.
Huh? It says the
You grow up.
respiratory system. So this image here is about respiratory system. So meaning our lesson for today is about respiratory system. Do you hear me clearly? It's so nice in your
Yes.
front. Okay. So here the respiratory system contains of respiratory tract and the diagram. This is how it works. This is how your air passes through and goes out. This one. This is a passage. First is here your nasal cavity. Where can you find your nasal cavity? Where can you find? In the nose here. Inside your nose is where you can find the nasal cavity, and then it will go through your pharynx. Next, larynx. This one here, larynx.
Form
The
of Google.
trachea. And then, how many lungs do we have? Renz, Ed Renz Quiapo. How many lungs do we have?
One. I mean two.
Oh my God, one. If you'll abuse your body, Rex, you might have one lung. So what are the things that can damage
I
your
don't like
lungs?
smoking. I don't like smoking or something alcoholic.
Yeah, smoking and even inhaling polluted air, it will get damage your lungs. So we have here the pharynx, larynx, the trachea, the lungs, the bronchi. This one is the bronchi. And then the bronchioles, the smaller veins of your bronchi. And then the smallest pagid in the bronchioles is the alveoli. And then the diaphragm here. So we have here again the respiratory system. Look at this one. This is your bronchioles, and there your alveoli or the air sacs. It is where your air is stored, and it is where the parts of your body. It is where the air came from before it goes to your other body parts. So we have here the respiratory tract starts from your
Little
nose
bit
and ends in
weird.
your lungs. Diba? Look, it try to touch your nose. Are there hairs in your nose? Inside your nose?
Yes.
Yes. What's the name of the hair in your nose? Tai, you're done with grade 5 with that. What's the name of the hair in your nose?
Nose.
It's
Nose.
Huh? It starts with letter C. What's that? Letter C.
Oh, I didn't answer it.
Ah,
Ruby cooking.
again, Dale. Cilia. Yes, your nose has cilia or the hairs in your nose. What's the purpose of that? Why do we have hairs in our nose? Para
To protect something.
protect from
To
what?
protect
To protect from the something
from
like,
that enters in your
Like
nose.
I
what?
don't understand.
Okay, the hairs or the cilia in your nose filters the air that will get through your nasal cavity. If there's no filter there, then you will inhale a lot of polluted airs. And also, di ba?
Oh, so
When
it
you
means it will protect the you. I mean, yeah,
what man rents?
protect the pollute from the air from you.
Okay, it will protect you from polluted air. Just like, let's say, for example, have you
That's
tried
it.
going outside? You go to the city, and then there's a lot of air pollution there from the
It always make
vehicle.
me a headache every time I
Diba?
smell a
No,
polluted one.
you will notice that there are a lot of boogers. You know what's a booger?
Yeah, the like
Yes.
brown thingy.
Oh, those are dust that you have inhaled from going in the
I always take it
city.
off.
Yeah,
I always take it
because
off
those are what was that?
from the hair.
Dust. Those are dust, polluted thingy from the outside. Okay, so we have here the respiratory tract starts from the nose and ends with your
That's
lungs. And
why it go out every time in my nose every morning.
okay, gas and enters
Understand?
and leaves the body through the nose, and while gas exchange happens in the alveoli of the lungs. What kind of hair? What do you call to the air that you've exhaled? Diba? You inhale oxygen and you will exhale what?
Carbon.
Carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the excess air in our body. It's already a polluted air that's coming from us, but it helps the what? It helps
The plant.
it helps the plants to grow. So here, plants give off oxygen while people gives carbon dioxide to plants. So we have here, the nose is made up of two narrow canals. This one, you try to look at your nose if there are two canals there. If your nose has three canals, good for you. If your nose has one canal, go to the doctor. Good
Yeah,
rents.
you can't breathe
Behave.
properly.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay,
Say
behave,
something
Ren.
in.
Okay, behave, Ren. Stop moving, kay. It gives me headache. So, again, the nose is made up of two canals called the nasal cavity. What do you call the two canals? It's called nasal
Nasal cavity.
cavity. It is where the air enters and is filtered, warm,
So what
and
if we take
moistened.
off the hair? Will we be in danger?
Of course, no one will filter the air that will get inside your body. So your lung, if you take off your cilia in your nose, then you'll have problem with your lungs. Your lungs won't.
Painful.
Um,
It will be painful.
of course, it's painful.
Yes,
You try to
lungs.
pull it out. Diba sakit?
No.
So there is a specialized hair inside the nose called cilia, which traps the dirt in the hair, the one that I said. So we have here, the air passes through the pharynx located in your throat. Where is your throat, friends? Show me your throat, friends. Where's your throat?
I don't know.
You don't have your throat? Patay ka.
Yeah. I think it
Okay.
is soon.
Uh, the air passes through your pharynx. It is located in your throat, and the throat connects the nasal cavity to your nose and the oral cavity. Understand? Stop moving, Legrens. Okay. There are three parts of the pharynx. What's the first part? Give one, Renz.
Where's the mouth?
Huh? What's
Um,
the first part of your pharynx? Read this one, Renz.
I like it.
Look at the mouse.
Okay, I saw it. There, there are three parts of the pharynx, nasopharynx, which
Ha! It's
contains the
nasopharynx.
nasal and
Again,
our pharynx. What?
Oro,
Wait, am I muted?
nasopharynx, oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. Again, give me one, Derek. What are the three parts of the pharynx? Give me one, Derek.
Um,
It's uh, nasopharynx.
Okay, nasopharynx. Another one, Bernan.
Cavity.
Kabite.
Wait,
Yeah, there.
Friends.
the how do
Which?
you read that? It's so small.
This one.
Oh, oropharynx.
And the other one, Dale.
Laryngopharynx.
Okay, so
Laryngopharynx.
yes, so again, we have three parts of the pharynx, the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. So when you say nasopharynx, which opens the nasal cavity, it's found near your nose. Next, we have the oropharynx, which opens the oral cavity, this one, near your mouth. And then the laryngopharynx, which opens the larynx, here. Here, oh, the nasopharynx is here, oropharynx is here, and the laryngopharynx, it is found here, below. So,
Yikes.
okay, so here, the larynx. The larynx is also called the voice box. If you keep on smoking, if you keep on drinking alcoholic beverages, Rams, your voice box
Yeah.
will get damaged and you're not be able to talk anymore. Okay, have you seen a person doing, there is a hole in here and then they're gonna put something in here para they can talk eh.
Teacher,
Hello, ayaw mo, ana. It's
I mean,
like a
after that.
robot. There are a lot of people who are like that. Why? It's because of the smoking. It's because of drinking alcoholic beverages. So inside the larynx, we have here the vocal cords that are found where voice is produced because of the vibrations of the ligaments of your larynx. So the flap tissue is called the epiglottis. It prevents the food from passing through the larynx. Where is the epiglottis? This one. This small part is called the epiglottis. If you inhale,
We should get some food.
listen, if you inhale, this one, this flap thing here will trap here. It will go here to the right side, and when the air can pass through the trachea. But if, listen, but if you are eating, this one here will go to the right because it will prevent the food from entering your trachea. That's why you have tried, you'll be masudipan. Ano bang,
Oh, it always happened to me.
if you talk and then you breathe, if you do it the same way, then there will be masudipan, meaning some food will get inside
The
here.
saliva will do it.
Oh yeah, the food will go here and you'll be magsuka. And sometimes kay the rice will get inside your nose. Have you tried that one? It will be
The
masuka.
Yeah,
rice here, I tried.
Oh.
The
I
rice,
tried
I
doing
tried.
it with
That's
no rice
because
is out.
uh,
I
that's
don't know
because
why.
you're not eating properly. You chew
It's
you
the big
chew
one.
very fast and then you keep on talking while eating. That
Nom,
that
nom,
will
nom.
happen if you keep on talking while eating. So we have here the epiglottis and the larynx is also able where Adam's apple in males located. You already have your Adam's apple? You try
Mm-hmm.
to touch your neck.
Mm-hmm.
If you already have your Adam's apple, where's your Adam's apple? In your forehead, Rance? Rance. Okay. They say that if you are binata na, you'll have Adam's apple. Be, let me see, Rance, Be. Show me your neck, Rance.
No, I don't have aching my neck.
Huh? You don't have?
Yeah.
You don't have, so meaning you're not yet binata pa. You're still a baby to your mom.
Wow, I mean, I think something like, I don't know. I don't know
Okay.
where.
Oh, sige. So the air passes through the larynx and it goes through the windpipe called the trachea. This is the trachea, the windpipe. From your neck going to your lungs is the trachea. It is where air passes through. It will get inside the lungs, your trachea. What's another name for windpipe? Another name for windpipe. Grade 6. What's another name? Trachea. Very good. Then down through the air tubes called the bronchi. For there are two. We have man two air tubes, the bronchi. But if it's only one, that's bronchus. This one, this one to your left and to your right. Since we have two lungs, left and the right. It's called bronchus and bronchi. So the two bronchi are located in the left and the right lung. So the lungs are the main organs of respiratory system. So the right lung is composed of air tube. Tubes. Where's your right? Where is your right lung? May point your right lung. Where's your right lung? Where's your right lung? Here. Diba? Your right lung is here. So your right lung composed of how many air tubes? Your right lung has 3 air tubes while your left lung has 2. Why? Why is that? Derek, do you know why? Your right lung has 3 air tubes while your left lung has 2. Derek, do, do you have idea?
Lag, lag mo siya.
Huh? It's
Don't have
lag?
any idea. Lag.
Okay, Dale. How about Dale? Do you have idea, Dale? Why your left lung has 2 air tubes and then the right lung has 3? Why is that?
I don't know.
Okay, Renz. Renz, why does our
Have
right
any
lung
idea?
has 3 air tubes and then the left one has 2?
Last year, don't have any idea.
You don't have any idea. How about Briggs?
Yep, he has.
Don't have?
Teacher, to give space for the heart,
Yes, because you
to
don't have
give space
idea
for the
because you're
heart.
not reading. Yes, our left lung has 2 air lobes because it gives space to your heart because your heart is here in your left side and if the heart if the left lung has 3 air tubes it will be magbuot. Your heart cannot pump properly. Your heart cannot do its function because it is very hard for it to do it since they don't have enough space. So how many air sacs do we have in our lungs?
300 million.
We have 300 million. The air sacs is this one. The circle, the small thingy in your alveoli, those are your air sacs. So if your air sac is only 100 million, then there will be a big problem with your lungs. So your lungs must have 300 million air sacs for your lungs to do its function. Again, it should be 300 million air sacs. If your air sacs is only 100 million or 200 million, then there's a big problem in breathing. You can't play basketball, you can't do running, you can't do jogging in a very long
You can't get
run.
up. I mean,
Yes,
you can't go out.
yes. You'll have
What I mean.
problem with your breathing. You'll have difficulty in breathing. So, here, what are the parts of your respiratory system? Give me one.
Lungs.
Lungs. What else?
Pharynx,
Larynx. What else? Briggs.
I can't read the other one.
the
Bronchioles.
Huh?
Bronchioles.
Again, Briggs. Again.
Tongue.
Shut it. Shut.
Bronchioles.
Oh, later na Renz because I'm still asking Briggs. What is it, Briggs?
Um,
Give me one.
pipe.
Windpipes. Another, Derek. Derek. Give me one part of your respiratory system. Give me one. Let's behave.
Orange.
That? Pharynx. So what do you call again to the hair inside your nose?
I forgot. Yeah. Nasal cavity.
Cilia. Very good, Derek. How
Oh,
about
they only know that.
how many nose canal do we have?
Two,
Two.
not five.
Okay, what's another name of windpipe? Another name of your windpipe?
What is it,
Uh,
sir? That's the only thing that I did not answer.
Briggs. What's what's another name for windpipe?
I don't know. It's not in Google. I can't search it.
Another name of the
Sir,
windpipe? Derek.
split screen. Maybe I'll do split screen for it. Oh, trachea.
It's trachea, Briggs. It's
Easier.
trachea. Of course. How many air sacs does a normal person have?
300 million percent.
300 million air sacs. What do you call to the small branches of your bronchi?
I don't
Small,
know.
alveoli?
Alveolar.
Really? Small
What?
branches of your bronchi.
Bronchial.
Bronchi.
Bronchial.
Bronchioles.
Bronchioles. Yes, bronchioles.
Wait, what?
Friends, how many lungs do we have, friends?
Yeah, two.
Huh?
Two.
Two. What do you call to the small uh what do you call this one? The flat or no, I
What?
forgot. Wait,
Just
wait,
put
wait,
the
wait, wait,
arrow.
wait, 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 wait. Oh, what do you call to the flap of tissue that prevents that separates the food from the air in taking in? The flap of tissue, what is that?
Trachea.
Herring.
What is that?
Herring.
No?
Herring.
It's a
No, it's long.
no. It's
No, not
a
long.
it's a small flap.
Yeah. Oh, no.
No.
Trachea.
Trachea.
No. Derek, do
Trachea.
you have idea?
I don't have. Yep, I'm rep. Very.
What is that?
Someone just noted me, and I don't know who is it.
Derek, do you have idea? What do you call
Larynx.
the flap of tissue? Flap of
Oh,
tissue.
epiglottis.
The epiglottis. Yes,
Bronchial.
the epiglottis will trap the air or trap the food from getting inside your trachea. Trachea is only for the air, not for the food. So the epiglottis will do its work to prevent the food from entering your trachea. But if there is a single food that will get into the trachea, that's the time that you leave a sudipan, right? And then, like just like choking. Have you tried being choking or choked?
Yes,
Yes.
I mean, no, I never. I never.
Really?
Gosh, I didn't try anything.
Okay. What can you say if you're choked? What have you observed from that? What do you experience when you do choking?
Painful to the throat.
Painful to the throat. Yes. What else? Painful to the throat. What else? Very good, Dale. Derek. Hard to breathe. Very good. It's very hard to breathe, and also it is painful to your throat since the air can pass through it because there is a food that prevents the air from entering. That's why it says that you have to Eat the food properly. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Do you understand, Renz?
Full. Yes.
If you try talking while eating, then you might get problem. You might have problem with choking
And height
or with eating
right
and
in
breathing.
my nose.
Understand? You get it, grade 6.
Yes.
So for your activity, just answer your Be Smart,
Just
and then if you have
error.
problem, then you'll just
Sure.
chat teacher. Yes, Briggs?
What's another term of air tubes?
Oh, find it then. That is a question in your Be Smart. Okay? So, do you have any question aside from the question that I gave in the Be Smart? Of course, I won't answer the question in the Be Smart since that is an activity. You try to check it there in the one that I gave, and also you can search it in the Google. Of course. Okay, do you have any other question? Grade 6? Since you still have
No.
another class with teacher Rosel, I guess. Teacher Rosel,
Yes.
it's
Man,
10:30.
I think. Yes, yes, teacher.
Rents
Yeah,
have
I've viewed it.
rents. I'm telling you, I'll call your
Teacher,
mom. I'll call your mom if you'll get absent again with your class. Yes,
They will
Dale.
be alone. They're going to come back here
teacher, what is
today.
your
I'm alone.
Okay, Dale, what is
With
it?
my brother Siwa.
top?
Stop
Oh my
talking, Terence.
god.
Okay, Dale, what is it?
Will the air sac pop?
Huh? It won't. Only if you will do smoking and keep on inhaling pollution, then it will pop and it will give problem to you. Get it?
Will,
Okay. Wow, you have a cat. A black cat.
I'm in Iceland.
Okay, friends. Listen,
okay.
I will call
Yes.
your mom if you'll get absent again.
Yes. I gotta go to the airport.
Okay? Please do remember that one. Okay, goodbye, grade 6.
I gotta teleport.
What will you say if I say goodbye, grade 6?
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, goodbye. See you
Just go
in the
quiet.
next Zoom meeting. Goodbye, everyone, and have a good
Absent
day.
for this. That's absent for this.